It's time for another ocean adventure with my favorite sea creatures. You won't want to miss this. A huge thank you to our supporters for making these videos possible. If you would like to support us, check the link below. First fact, penguins have super sharp underwater vision. They can see really well in low light, which is perfect for hunting fish in the deep sea. Did you know that some animals have really cool abilities? Like, did you know that starfish can move by using a special water system? Each arm has tiny tubes filled with water. By squeezing the tubes, the starfish moves forward. Most starfish have 5 arms, but some can grow up to 40 arms. Next up, it's time for an ocean fact about orca. Orcas are speedy swimmers. They can reach up to 35 miles per hour. That's faster than a great white shark. Wow! Did you know that great white sharks have a bite force of up to 4,000 pounds? That's stronger than any other animal on the planet. But octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 of them pump blood to the gills, and the third one pumps blood to the rest of the body. How cool is that? Now let's talk about stingrays. They have flat bodies that help them glide smoothly along the ocean floor. But did you know that caterpillars spend their days munching through tons of leaves? They eat so much to get ready for when they transform into butterflies or moths. Some puffer fish are extremely toxic. Their poison is 1,200 times stronger than cyanide. That's enough to kill 10 adult humans. Wow! And did you know that lobsters have blue blood? It's because they have copper in their blood instead of iron. Lobsters also use their crusher claws and pincher claws to grab prey. The crusher claws are on the sides and the pincher claws are in the middle. Now that's handy. Next we have crabs. Crabs must shed their hard shells to grow. When they're growing, their shells are soft. So during this time they hide from predators. That's smart. Now let's learn about hammerhead sharks. They have wide, T-shaped heads. This helps them sense electric signals from prey. Some scientists think that hammerheads can even see better than us. Wow! Blue whales are amazing. They use giant plates in their mouths to filter tiny krill. These krill are called copepods. One blue whale eats up to 4 tons of copepods every day. That's equal to about 8,800,800 pounds. Blue whales are the largest animals to ever live. They can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh up to 330,000 pounds. That's heavier than 33 elephants. Sharks have survived 5 mass extinctions. They've been around for hundreds of millions of years. Some sharks can even live forever. How? Well, as long as conditions are right. Great white sharks, hammerhead sharks, blue sharks, and tiger sharks can keep growing new cells. This means they don't get old or die from old age. That's incredible. Beluga whales are very chatty. They make all kinds of clicks, chirps, and whistles. Scientists have identified more than 50 different sounds that belugas make. That's a lot of sounds. Now let's head over to the Arctic Circle to learn about polar bears. Polar bears live on sea ice. Their fur looks white, but it's actually transparent. The hollow hairs help keep them warm in cold weather. Polar bears are the world's largest land predator. They can run up to 25 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars. Sea lions can rotate their front flippers forward. This allows them to walk on land using all 4 limbs. They look kind of funny doing it, but it's a good way to get around. Blue tangs are small fish that live in the ocean. They have sharp, venomous tail spines. They use these spines for protection from predators. Blue tangs are found in the Indian Ocean and the Western Pacific Ocean. Colossal squid have massive eyes. They can be as big as soccer balls. Wow! The colossal squid is one of the largest invertebrates on the planet. It can grow up to 45 feet long. That's longer than a school bus. Spider crabs can live over 100 years. They move very slowly with their spindly legs. They walk across the seafloor looking for food. Now let's head over to the shore to watch some ducks. Ducklings can swim just hours after hatching. They waddle down to the water and follow their mother closely. This helps keep them safe from predators. Electric eels can shock their prey. They use their tails to send out bolts of electricity. The shocks can be up to 600 volts. That's strong enough to knock out a full-grown human. Ouch! Horses are herd animals. They feel safer when they are with other horses. Horses can also sleep while standing up. They do this by locking their legs in place. This keeps them from falling over. Finally, let's learn about sea turtles. Sea turtles use Earth's magnetic field like a GPS. They travel thousands of miles each year. Every year, they return to the same beach where they were born to lay their eggs. And did you know that starfish can grow new arms? Some starfish can even grow a whole new starfish from just one of their arms. How cool is that? Wow! So many amazing animals today. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun. See you next time. Bye!